Exploring innovative low-investment business ideas for 2025. As we look toward 2025, the business landscape is evolving rapidly, driven by technological advancements and changing consumer preferences. For aspiring entrepreneurs with limited capital, identifying low-investment opportunities that leverage these trends is crucial. In this video, we will explore some of the most promising business ideas that require minimal investment, yet offer significant growth potential. From digital services to sustainable solutions, these ideas cater to diverse interests and skill sets, providing a pathway to entrepreneurial success. Digital services. Harnessing technology for success. In the digital age, businesses that capitalize on technology continue to thrive. One low-investment idea is starting a digital marketing agency. As companies increasingly focus on online presence, there is a growing demand for experts who can navigate the complexities of social media, search engine optimization, and content marketing. Another lucrative option is offering freelance graphic design or web development services. With platforms like Canva and WordPress becoming more accessible, individuals can easily develop skills and provide creative solutions to small businesses and startups. By utilizing free or low-cost online tools, entrepreneurs can minimize expenses while maximizing their reach and impact. E-commerce. Capitalizing on niche markets. The e-commerce sector remains a fertile ground for low-investment business opportunities. Niche online stores, in particular, offer a unique advantage by targeting specific customer segments. Entrepreneurs can begin by identifying underserved markets or trending products, such as eco-friendly goods or handmade crafts. Utilizing dropshipping models can further reduce initial costs, as inventory is managed by third-party suppliers. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy provide user-friendly interfaces to set up online shops, making it easier than ever to launch an e-commerce business. By focusing on quality products and excellent customer service, entrepreneurs can build loyal customer bases and achieve sustainable growth. Sustainable solutions. Aligning with consumer values. Sustainability is no longer just a buzzword. It is a driving force behind consumer decisions. Businesses that prioritize eco-friendly practices and products are well-positioned for success. One low-investment idea is starting a consultancy that helps other businesses implement sustainable strategies, such as reducing waste or improving energy efficiency. Another option is creating and selling upcycled or recycled products, which appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. With the increasing availability of resources and support for green initiatives, entrepreneurs can align their ventures with these values and make a positive impact on the planet while generating profit. Online education. Meeting the demand for learning. The demand for online education continues to rise, presenting a valuable opportunity for those with expertise in specific fields. Creating and selling online courses or offering tutoring services requires minimal investment, primarily involving time and knowledge. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow educators to reach global audiences without incurring significant costs. Whether it's teaching a language, coding, or personal development skills, entrepreneurs can tap into diverse markets and cater to learners of all ages. By delivering high-quality content and engaging experiences, online educators can build reputable brands and enjoy steady revenue streams. Conclusion. Embracing innovation and adaptability. In conclusion, the key to succeeding with a low-investment business in 2025 lies in embracing innovation and adaptability. By leveraging digital technologies, exploring niche markets, prioritizing sustainability, and meeting the demand for online education, entrepreneurs can create thriving businesses with minimal capital. The ideas discussed in this video are not only financially accessible, but also aligned with current and future trends, making them viable options for those ready to embark on their entrepreneurial journey. As you consider these opportunities, remember that success often comes from a combination of passion, perseverance, and the ability to adapt to an ever-changing business environment.